beautifully made. Something that you're gonna hand down. Hi guys, Chris from the Barbecue Shack. Today I'm going to introduce to you Donkey Long Tongs. A few products to talk about. So we'll start at this end. We've got the paddle. Before you jump to any conclusions, this is designed to get air into your fire. It's a piece of stainless steel with covered with leather. It's got Kevlar stitching, so a little bit of quality there. A white oak handle. But again, you can feel the quality of these when you pick them up, and you'll hopefully come into the shop and see these. Type of thing that you're going to hand down into generations. Next, we've got the blower. Again, stop jumping to conclusions. This is designed to give you a little bit more precision of putting air into your fire. You've got 5 different strengths. You simply turn the brass knob until eventually you get to the desired amount of air to come through. But you've got a nice stainless steel rod, again a white oak handle, nice leather loop for you to be able to hang it. Again, a nice bit of quality. Next we'll go on to the Donkey Tongs. These are designed a bit more for food, so it's a flatter end. Naturally, you've got a bottle opener at the end. Open them up. You can see that these are designed for food because they're nice and flat, as I said. Stainless steel, white oak with brass rivets. Nice bit of kit on that one. Then we go on to the Donkey Long Tong. Much longer. Longer than your average tong. These are designed more for moving logs or coal. It's got a little bit more of a curved, almost spoon-like. But again, same thing, stainless steel with white oak. Obviously, a bottle opener at the end, so you've always got quick access to be able to open up your next beverage. Then you've got, lastly, the jack sack. This is a beautiful leather bag designed to carry all of the tools in one go. It's waterproof, UV proof, pretty much bulletproof. It carries all 4 of your different Donkey Long Tong products. Comes with a lovely little surprise at the bottom in the little pocket there. Comes with a nice Donkey Long Tong sticker. So yeah, all of these are in stock, all available online. Please come in and have a look at them, see what they're about. We'll be using these at our cooks, so you'll have an opportunity to feel and use them for yourselves. So yeah, a lovely addition to the Shack Group.